Welcome to SmartBlox. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get the new effect, which is on the screen, Arsenal, which is limited. So right now I'm in a VIP server, and what you want to do is go to the map. The map is called Scan, I believe. So what you want to do is get lucky and get into that map. When the map is loaded, make sure you deploy, go into any team, and then when you can start moving, this is the wrong side, so what we're gonna need to do is go on and head on to the other side, and you want to look for this yellow building that says Puzzlet's Cafe. So there's a little secret door here, and what you can do is go in. There's a little emoji here, and then you can come in here. So mix this is like a little obby, and you don't want to die like what I just did, because it will take a while. So what I'm gonna quickly do is go on and go ahead and get back there. I messed up for that. But we can go ahead and go over there and do the little obby, and then I'm gonna teleport us to a new game, which is another obby. So let's head on over back down here and go back down here, and we can jump down here. So we need to go through that portal. I keep messing up though because I am not very good at obbies, so let me just quickly get to it. Okay guys, so we made it to the portal. I'm gonna say, did you know you'll be disconnected from the session? And what we want to do is just head on in, and it's gonna take a couple seconds for it to teleport us. Just make sure you just keep walking in to the portal, and it will eventually, there we go, we are going into a new game. And then what you want to do is hit deploy and just choose the map, and then what you want to do is click deploy once the map loads. And so the map loaded in. It doesn't matter what map you chose, and it's gonna look like this. You're gonna receive a rocket launcher, and what you need to do is do parkour. So how you launch yourself is you jump and then blast yourself with the rocket launcher. And then you have to do a whole nother session of parkour. So I have done this in the past before, and it's pretty easy, I guess. Maybe it might be hard for some users. It did take me a couple of tries though, I'm not gonna lie there. And you want to also make sure you don't kill yourself, because then you're gonna have to do the whole thing over. Like a obby with no checkpoints, I guess. And so what we need to do is just use this rocket launcher and head on over to the other sections. And it's just a little fun obby you can do. And a lot of people complain it's pretty hard and not worth it, but I disagree with that. I think it's actually pretty easy if you know how to do an obby correctly. So we just made it here again, and Stinky Boulevard to the truck, and then we need to go to Stinky Coffee and head on over here. Alright guys, so we made it over here. Here guys, just go down right here, jump all the way onto this, and now here we are. This is where we need to be. A Stinky Coffee we can just open up, and then what you want to do is hit the call manager, and the little beetle's gonna show up and say, I suppose you want a prize. And yes, I do. So we're gonna ride up on this little elevator all the way up there, and get our reward. And so up we go, and then we're gonna reach here. What we need to do is go up on the stairs, and then there's the vault, so you're gonna open up, and then we get the awesome kill effect right here. And boom, we did it, the adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. And yeah, have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye!